Hi there, students. Retinue. A retinue. Okay, a retinue is a group of people accompanying an important person. In the old times, a king would have a retinue of people following him wherever he went. So he would have a retinue of soldiers as a guard. He'd have advisors and servants and people performing different tasks. This is the king's retinue. But nowadays this is very common, although if you see the Queen come out of Buckingham Palace, she will probably be followed by a retinue of different people. But nowadays we use this, the group of people accompanying somebody who is important. So the film star was accompanied by a retinue of bodyguards. The Prime Minister was followed by a retinue of advisors and secretaries. Maybe if you see a doctor doing his rounds of the wards, looking at the different patients, and you will see he has a retinue of students following behind him. Okay, so he's doing his rounds and he has all of these students following him. But normally you have a retinue accompanying somebody important and wealthy. Okay, this word retinue comes from French, retenir, meaning to retain, to keep. In English you have another word, a retainer, is an old servant who has worked for somebody for many years. A retainer, a servant. So, next question, what about formality? A retinue. I guess this word is slightly formal, maybe 6.5 or 7 in formality. Could you use it in an informal conversation? I guess not. People accompanying him, yeah? Use it in a semi-formal or a formal framework, or particularly in something literary, yeah? So the retinue, the people who accompany you. You could make it into a bit of a joke as well. When I turn up and I have my family with me and somebody says, I see you have brought your retinue, yeah? Okay, but a retinue of advisors, a retinue of helpers, yeah? The accompanying people. So there you go, retinue. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.